It's Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Ridge Barnstormers cow pasture. We're going to take up the FMS PA 18 Super Cub, and already performed a range test. And okay, we got right, we got left, we got up, we got down, we got right, we got left, and all the flaps and everything working. So without further ado, basically going right into the wind. Got a nice little knife edge here for us. This is a really very nice, well-performing plane. Running on a 4S Smart Pack right now. Going with the wind, but I don't want to have to deal with the sun, so. Well, maybe I can, with that plane behind that, or that sun behind that cloud there, maybe I can get a little bit better of a landing here. A little touch and go there. But anyways, I'm running a 4S Smart Pack. But definitely want to use your rudder with this plane. There are no flaps this time. There we go. But
time remaining 3 minutes.
Wind's kind of crazy right now. But I will tell you, this plane here has probably the most robust landing gear on any remote control plane I have ever seen, ever. Definitely the most robust landing gear of any plane that I own. I mean, they will just take a beating. They really will. There you go. They're kind of bleeding out with the cloud there, but she'll do a knife edge all day long. There, that's full speed pass.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
But you have to remember, she's called a Sport Cub for a reason. Very fun plane to fly. Very fun plane to fly. One thing you definitely want to practice with Cubs, when you're going to do turns like this, and they're going to be kind of slow, like that is, you want to practice your coordinated turns. And what I mean by coordinated turns, in other words, you're trying to make your turn as two-dimensional as you can. So as I'm trying to turn that plane like it's on rails, like I am right now. Sort of on rails. I mean, I got a little bit of a dip. So, and the reason you want to do that is cubs, when they turn corners, and especially at slower speeds, they have a bad tendency to tip stall. All right, we got enough juice for one more. All right. All right, well, there you go. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. Motor off. Don't have the, see, motor's off. All right, folks, well, there you go. That's the FMS PA 18. I think it's called Sport Cub, but just a great plane. I think you can get it for 250 bucks on Horizon Hobby, I believe, or 279, and I'm pretty sure that comes with a float. That's a plug and play, though. You have to add your own receiver. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. She's a 4S bird. Y'all have a good day. God bless y'all.